Hi dear friends, I am Kiddo Sparrow. Today I teach you one-digit addition with easy method. So watch complete video and stay with me to end. Please subscribe my channel. Let's start. We add amount 3 plus 2. We add amount 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 for addition. First we add 3 lines beside 3. With 3 lines beside 3 as 1, 2, 3 lines. Now we put 2 lines beside 2. 1, 2. Now we count the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. So 3 plus 2 is equal 5. 3 plus 2 is equal 5. Good. 3 plus 2 is equal 5. Now we add next amount 4 plus, here is 4 plus 2 is equal. As same way for addition, now we put 4 lines beside 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines. 4 lines. Now we put 2 lines beside 2, 1, 2. Now we count lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 lines. So 4 plus 2, answer is 6. 2 plus 4, answer is 6. Good, nice. Now we more practice to put another amount. Other amount is 3. 3 plus 3. Dear kids, 3 plus 3 is equal. At the same way, we put 3 lines beside 3. 1, 2, 3. And next 3 lines beside other 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it is 6 lines. So 3 plus 3 is equal 6. 3 plus 3 is equal 6. Very nice. Good babies. Now we put another amount for more practice. So babies, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal. At the same way, we put 5 lines beside 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. And we put 3 lines beside 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we count in these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. 5 plus 3 is equal 8. 5 plus 3 is equal Good job, baby. Good job, kids. Dear friends, in next video we will learn addition of one-digit numbers. So subscribe my channel so that you will find notification of next video. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.